Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Lisa Tropical Fruit Tree. So today just would like to show you how my red avocado going. So we just want to check out because we saw a lot of dieback guy and then we cut it up. Look, it's no sign and it's staying alive. It's like a wood now, it's a dead wood. And we cut it more like a dead wood, very dry, no juice, nothing. And then we cut it more from here like nothing again. So guys, we have no hope at all that. And then there's the top of the grass and I try to scratch it out. Look very dry. Look, nothing alive. Look at that. So guys, the tree been like 7 years old and full size of fruit last year. And now it's very sad, completely dead. I believe this one is a root rot. So this is our second year we grow in the tree, and yes, last year during the winter time we give them water every day. It doesn't matter rain or no rain, we just give them water like a crazy. All of the tree we give them a water, guy. So I feel sad with this I lost, but again I feel very happy because in 143 I lost one tree because of diabetes, the rest was survived. So I'm still very happy. Thank God I don't lost my Pinkerton, and my Pinkerton now starting a flower and I still have full size of fruit now. Guys, you have a look here and all some in the back. So still very lucky. Most my 143 in the ground, only one is a root rot. So I'm still very lucky. And the tree been in a pot like 6 years, and we just transferred them last year early, and now we lost it. It's very sad, guys. I will show you how it looks like. So now we going to take them out because of the root rot. So the shovel's already here, we're ready to do it. So lucky because I do grass my own multi-grass avocado. I did and last year was 23rd of September 2021. And I think 4 years old, so been a half 1 year now. So that's seedling for 5 years old, and my multi-grass was 1 year old now. Yeah, exactly 1 year next month. So exactly 1 year, guys. That's a very amazing, healthy. So this one will be replaced. And I will remove all the soil in here. We took all the soil off and we replaced the new soil and everything. So I'm not use the same soil, but I use the same spot because I very need the spot, because we nearly run out of the spot, guys. And yeah, we talk about the one we took, replace it. So the tree looks very stunning and like 1.6 meter tall. And this one is a choquette and one is a Sharwill. So one is a A type and one is a B type, which is great. So the tree can pollinate each other. And yeah, so my Sharwill have flower, but I'm not too sure about my grafting. I don't know my grafting, so I will check which one is a Sharwill. That is Sharwill. So this one. So that's all the way here is a Sharwill. Because my Sharwill tree, I've been cut from them. They already have a flower. Look like this one, nothing. Anyway, I don't mind. Yeah. So that's my replace multi-graft. So this is my premium potting mix. We use them. Look, we stock it in. We bought every week about 1, 2, 1, 2. So this 50 little in a bag. So we stock them like over 14 bag, over like a 14 bag. We're ready to go this spring coming, and we have some compost, organic. So all this fertilizer we use for the planting. We give them this clay breaker, the pink one, and they are seeing so this dynamic lister, and another one rooster booster, and this one is organic potting mix. So most of them we use the organic, guys. Guys, so there's a root and underneath is a lot of sand. Yeah, we try to put them in the pot, maybe see how it goes. Hopefully it's come back. So this is guy have a low place on my 7 years old, 8 years old tree. We pull it out, so there's a root, and check it out. The root here is still very brand new, so that look like okay. So you know what happened, guys? I'm not going to check them. I'm going to put in the pot to see how it goes. If they come back, they come back. If they not, that's fine. We put it out in a wheelbarrow just for the growing my vegetable. So we took it off and we replanted new soil. Alright guys, just want to show you, we pull all the avocado out and then we dig to the bottom there. It's still no root. So we already took this soil, guys, from the big box here, and look how much soil we take it out. It's a full of barrel and then 3 big pot of soil. It's a big soil we put it in. We put like 3-4 bags of the 50 little pot, premium potting mix. So we're done. So we're going to replay this guy over. Very exciting again. Hopefully this one doing good. This is my multi-cross. You better do a good job, Gil. Yeah, we put a Egyptian clay breaker. Right, so we already put in Egyptian there, and we're going to give them water, guys. That's how normally we do. So this is Egyptian clay breaker. So this is a premium potting mix we're using. So we're going to throw them in the pot. Alright guys, so we already put them into the box. Actually in the ground, but yeah, I said the box. And it's a bit hard to pull it out, so we have to cut the pot again because I think the root was stuck in the pot. Had to pull it out, and I don't want to damage. So my root, we transferred them not long ago. About a years old now, and yeah, root was in everywhere, and tree looks so happy. And hopefully this one doing a very good job. So that's my Sharwill and Choquette. We're going to put the potting mix full and then we give them more, and that's it. So guys, we use 3 bags of potting mix, which is 150 liters of soil. So the plastic fly. So here it is. Looks beautiful and stunning now. Then after that we give them a mulch. So ready to go. Then after we give them a season. So that's my trick. I always plan. That's all I do. I didn't do anything different, guys. So this is my secret or planting. I didn't do any special or mixing to my planting, because if you use too much of the fertilizer mixed with your soil and before you planting the tree, I think could be burning your tree. So just use the potting mix. It's very good enough. They have everything in there already. And you just give them a sizzle. After you planting, you're done. Put the mold, then I give them sizzle, and that's it. Then after I will give them the steel like this one. So I tie from one stick up to here and to there. So I tie the tree, so the wind coming, it doesn't matter, so that doesn't disturb the root. So that's my trick. We'll see this guy. Hopefully this guy doing well in Melbourne, and then doing very good in the new place. He's so lucky to get this place. It's very big and plenty of room. Right guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. And I very hope you like my channel and like my video. I do update most of the time. It's like you are in my garden too. And please don't forget, give me thumbs up, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.